Imagina un mundo en el que tus habilidades no sean limitadas y las oportunidades sean verdaderamente globales. Un mundo en el que la IA no te reemplace. Okay, you got me. I know you don't understand Spanish. I was just showing off. Can you imagine a world where your skills aren't just limited and opportunities are truly global? A world where AI isn't replacing you, but enabling you to reach your full potential. That future is already here. You've already taken the first step with our self-assessment and skill audit. Now, let's turn that knowledge into action. Are you ready to reskill, stand out, and seize the future of work? Let me introduce you to Daniel. Daniel was a thriving project manager in Ghana. He had a steady job, a decent income, and a 5-year career plan until one day everything changed. Your position is no longer needed, said his boss. Just like that, his career collapsed like a house of cards. The projects he managed, automated, the skills he relied on, outdated, the future he had planned, uncertain. For weeks, he stared at rejection emails, feeling like the world had moved on without him. Then, something clicked. He asked himself, what if I stopped fighting AI and started using it to my advantage? That decision changed everything. Daniel reskilled. He learned AI-powered project management, mastered remote collaboration tools, and built a personal brand that positioned him as a global talent. And today, Daniel leads cross-border projects for a global tech firm, earning 3 times his previous salary. But Daniel isn't the only one. Meet Maria, a nurse in Kenya who dreamed of working abroad. Every application she sent got rejected. Why? She had the clinical expertise, but lacked the digital skills to thrive in a healthcare system that was rapidly integrating AI, telehealth, and virtual diagnostics. She could have given up. Instead, she reskilled. She learned AI-driven telehealth tools, digital patient management systems, and global health compliance. And today, Maria is a telehealth specialist in Canada, working remotely and earning triple what she made before. Daniel, Maria, thousands of others. They are not just adapting to change, they are mastering it. And their story isn't unique. It's the story of how the global job market is transforming and how those willing to reskill can unlock incredible opportunities. But there's a catch. This future rewards the prepared. The question is, are you prepared to thrive or risk being left behind? The world is changing rapidly. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, the 85 million jobs will be displaced by automation. But don't worry. In their place, 97 million new roles will emerge, many requiring a unique blend of hard and soft skills. AI and automation are rewriting the rules of work, transforming industries like healthcare, technology, and education. In healthcare, AI-powered tools assist in diagnosing diseases, monitoring patients, and streamlining operations. In tech, fields like data science, cybersecurity, and machine learning are booming, and freelancing platforms are creating opportunities for remote workers to earn globally. According to a LinkedIn report, 75% of employers are actively looking for employees with both technical and human-centric skills, and that's why it's crucial to start preparing now. And here's the kicker. These opportunities aren't limited to Silicon Valley. They're global. Remote work is on the rise, and skilled workers are more mobile than ever before. What are these skills? We're talking about AI and machine learning, generative AI implementation and prompt engineering, digital transformation, data analytics, cloud architecture, and cybersecurity, hybrid work competencies, remote collaboration tools, digital project management, and cross-cultural communication. Emerging technologies. Gain foundational knowledge in blockchain and quantum computing. But here's the catch. These roles demand more than just a degree. They require digital literacy and soft skills such as emotional and cultural intelligence, adaptive learning agility, and strategic thinking. This is where reskilling comes into play. As futurist Alvin Toffler said, the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Let's be real. Skills are important, but they're only part of the equation. In today's global market, your personal brand is what gets you noticed. Your skills may open doors, but your personal brand is what makes opportunities knock. This is what helps recruiters and clients see your unique value before ever meeting you. When you craft a compelling brand for yourself, you're not just another applicant, you're a standout candidate. A strong personal brand amplifies your skills, builds trust, and positions you as a must-hire in any industry. Here are a few key points on how to make it happen. You can start to use AI to craft a keyword-rich profile. Tell your story with professional storytelling techniques that resonate with recruiters. Showcase a curated portfolio that aligns with your narrative. Be consistent across platforms to build trust. Share insights, publish posts, or create videos that position you as an expert in your field. Daniel and Maria didn't just reskill, they rebranded themselves. Their personal brand became their personal sales pitch, attracting opportunities instead of chasing them. Now, let's talk money. AI isn't just helping you find a job, it's revolutionizing how you monetize your expertise quickly and effectively. Here are 3 actionable ways to start earning more today. 1. Freelancing and consulting. Use AI-driven solutions to enhance the quality and efficiency of your work. From creating high-quality content to designing visuals or managing projects, AI enables you to deliver professional results faster. Specializing in in-demand areas like AI integration or digital transformation can make your services even more valuable to businesses adapting to new technologies. 2. Digital product creation. Leverage AI to create resources like ebooks, templates, or online courses that share your expertise. These products can be marketed to a global audience, generating passive income while building your authority in your field. 3. Skill monetization. AI can help you identify gaps in your skill set and provide personalized learning paths to fill them, making you a sought-after expert. With enhanced skills, you can negotiate higher rates, diversify your income streams, and attract premium opportunities. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. AI empowers you to work smarter, not harder, allowing you to maximize your potential with less time and effort. So, how do you prepare yourself for this future? Let's break it down. 1. Identify in-demand skills. Hard skills like programming, data analysis, and AI application are in high demand. Soft skills like adaptability, communication, and cultural intelligence are just as critical. 2. Align skills with your goals. If you're aiming for remote work, focus on skills like digital marketing, software development, or content creation. If you're planning to migrate, consider healthcare tech or AI applications in your field. 3. Start your reskilling journey. Leverage platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Japademy for structured learning. Seek mentorship from professionals who have navigated these pathways successfully. Remember, reskilling doesn't mean starting over. It means adding tools to your toolbox. Every skill you acquire is another step toward unlocking international opportunities. If you've got the skills already, then you're looking to attract international opportunities. To attract global recruiters, you need more than a strong resume. You need to sell your value. Here's the secret formula: clarity. Know what you offer and what sets you apart. Consistency. Align your online presence, your portfolio, LinkedIn, and website with your professional narrative. Connection. Use AI to identify and connect with decision makers in your industry. Platforms like LinkedIn's AI job matching make this seamless. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify what you can do. Imagine using AI tools to streamline your tasks, leaving you free to focus on creative problem solving and building meaningful connections. Even this video you are watching now is just a fraction of what's possible with AI. Because I didn't have to sit down to shoot this video. I don't even have such time. Right now, I can reach my target audience irrespective of the language they speak. Here's an example. 如果你停止对抗人工智能，并开始利用它为自己谋利，会怎么样？这个决定会改变你的一切。Surtout quand on sait que l'IA peut désormais rendre ce qui était considéré comme impossible auparavant, apparemment impossible. Dites-moi que vous aimez mon français. So, you can use AI-powered job boards to find opportunities faster. Optimize your CV with AI tools. And build your personal brand online to showcase your expertise to global recruiters. Steve Jobs once said, Innovation is the ability to see change as an opportunity, not a threat. That's exactly what AI offers, a chance to innovate your career. In conclusion, the future of work with AI isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. It's about unlocking one's unimaginable opportunities, seizing the power of global connectivity, and building a career that transcends borders. The world needs skilled professionals like you, talents who are ready to adapt, learn, and lead. But the first step is yours to take. We've explored the massive opportunities AI offers, but here's the thing. Knowing isn't enough. You need to act. That's why I'm inviting you to join our mastermind group where you'll learn the advanced tools reshaping industries, strategies to position yourself as a global talent, how to build an AI-driven career or business step by step, and get personalized support, plus premium resources and webinars. Click the link or button around this video to proceed to the next step. Let's turn your skills into opportunities and your ambitions into achievements.